Have you ever encountered someone who crunches ice as a habit, chews paper, or even eats dirt? It's more than a quirky habit, it's called pica, a condition linked to your body's secret pleas for help. Let's get into the science, risks, and solutions you need to know. What is pica? Pica is a compulsive craving to consume non-food items for more than a month. Think along the lines of ice, clay, paper, or even locks of hair. It was named after the Latin term for magpie, a bird that'll peck at and consume nearly anything. But not in humans, it's unintentional. New research published by BMC Oral Health in 2025 reviewed 89 studies and found pica is surprisingly common, particularly in pregnant women and kids. Why? Here's the clue. 81% of pica cases are linked to iron deficiency anemia. Your body needs iron to make hemoglobin, the oxygen carrier. When iron levels fall, your brain can crave odd substitutes, like ice or dirt, as a desperate SOS. But there's a cruel twist. Clay and starch can block the absorption of iron, trapping you in a cycle. It's like drinking saltwater when you're thirsty, it only makes you worse. Chewing on dirt or ice is not harmless. Tooth abrasions occurred in 66% of pica patients in a 2024 study. Starch cravings feed cavity-causing bacteria, and clay grinds away enamel like sandpaper. One patient munched on bricks for years and needed 16 teeth restored. Don't panic yet, let's talk solutions. Fixing iron levels usually banishes cravings. 88% of patients stopped pica in a 2024 trial after taking iron supplements. One woman had been consuming laundry starch for years, her cravings vanished in weeks with treatment. Dentists use fluoride fillings or coatings to repair tooth damage. Children with earth-eating habits improved on iron-supplemented diets. The message: pica's not a life sentence, it's a treatable hint. Unanswered questions. Why does one person crave ice and another eat clay? Genetics, culture, we simply don't know yet. And can stress trigger pica if you're not anemic? More studies, please. But this we do know, suppressing these cravings courts bigger problems. Actionable takeaways. Step 1. Strange cravings. Log them. Apps like Bearable let you note what, when, and how much. Step 2. Get tested. A simple blood test for iron and hemoglobin can reveal deficiencies. Step 3. Team up. Doctors for iron, dentists for enamel care, therapists if stress is driving cravings. This is information, not medical advice. Pica can be a symptom of serious problems. Always get your doctor's okay before making changes to your health. Stay curious, stay informed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.